we go, folks. It's coming down violent here. Look at it. It's gushing. Oh, man. It's going for it. Woo! We're getting our asses handed to us here. Look at the rain just cascade off those roofs. The winds are coming out of the east, so they're blowing it sideways. That's why I had to pull my camcorder off, because it was getting soaked. Holy hell. This thing means business. Oh, flash. God. This is blowing like crazy. Rain's just gushing everywhere. Listen to that thunder. Woo! Wow. This is the worst I've seen all summer. Damn. Look at the rain just blow down the street. Wow. Look at that. Holy hell. My door just slammed. Man. This is crazy. Oh, we got hail. Getting hailstones. Pea-sized, I'd say. Getting pea-sized hail. We're getting pea-sized hail. Here we go. It's hailing. It's hitting me in the feet. Oh, man. Holy crap. I was not expecting this. Holy crap. Unbelievable. Man, this moped. Oh, big fly. Whoa. Good, I gotta get in. I caught a flash. No. No.
I just saw it.
I saw it. Where was it? Over here?
Right there.
God, no, I didn't.
You just saw it. There's right here, babe. Look.